Coach Lane.
Hey, how are you?
Thank you. My colleagues, Elik Pimas
Yes.
head coach, Jimmy Stanas. Manus, you got the first one.
Hallo, dit was jammer ons oor die laaste ek moet sê Jim, jy het ons baie foute gemaak. Ek bedoel daar was oomblikke wat daar so die ouens daar so goed gelyk het, maar as jy vat daai gele daar van Dalvin Blood. Dis daar so foute.
Ja, obviously jy kan nie hierdie game speel met die foute wat ons maak op die oomblik nie. Ons lynstane gee die Leeu's krediet vir die laaste paar minute met hulle hardloop. Maar jy kan nie al die hoeveelheid lynstane verloor. Elke keer wat jy op die voorvoet kom, verloor jy jou eie lynstaan. Ek bedoel ons het hulle geskram, die skrams was briljant. Jy kom hier in die lynstaan, jy verloor die lynstane. Selfs as laasweek met die Sharks, is dieselfde konsep en dan ongelukkig het ons vandag 'n paar first time tacklings gemis wat op 3 uitgeloop het wat op hierdie vlak nie, jy kan dit nie toelaat nie. En jy weet ons het nou 'n nuwe klomp by ons gekry Junie maand, jy wil almal kans gee. Het dit gedoen en dis die game. Maar nie enige ou kom hier op hierdie altitude nie, kom hardloop die leeu stikkend nie. Daai ding wat laasweek gebeur het met die Cheetahs, wat die ouens nou dink is net 'n wen wat hulle gekry het. Hier is dit nie so maklik nie.
En ek moet sê hulle het nou ook nie laas ons van naweek daar gewen nie. Dit maak dit daar so 'n bietjie moeilik alreeds daar vir hulle.
Ja, ek weet jy dit maak dit moeilik. Ons het 3 punte so ver op die lok. In die SA Cup moes ons terugveg om weg te gaan speel. Die laaste 4 jaar of 5 jaar moet ons elke keer terugveg met die weg uitspeel wedstryde. So in die begin, naas Botha gesê die Currie-beker word nie in die begin gewen nie. So ja, ons daar's baie goed wat ons vir onsself beplan. Currie-beker is een ding om te wen en dan verloor jy weer 7 ouens en jy moet 'n SA Cup speel volgende jaar. So wat is in ons mind met aan die gang? So ons sit ook maar ons eie doelwitte wat ons vir ons stel om te kyk met ouens wat hier gaan wees en ouens wat nie gaan wees nie.
Okay. Jimmy, just following up from that, would you say then that Pumas Rugby is currently in a bit of a rebuild?
Yeah, we're every year in a rebuild. Last year we lost 9, the year before that we lost 9. At the end of the Currie Cup we lost 9. In 2023 we lost 9. We're playing the Boland next week and I think there's 12 of the Pumas at the Boland at the moment. 3 played for the Sharks last week. And how many is at the Cheetahs? So we're every year in a building phase. So that's what it is. Maybe it's the same for every union, but you know in the media, we in this team that's playing here today, Sampi didn't play, he's going away, Ruvald van der Merwe is going away, Sango is going to the Bulls, JJ Skipper is going to Sale Shark. So there's a lot of guys moving and it's what it is. And you've got to plan ahead. Obviously for us, the Currie Cup is the flagship, but we also got to test some stuff and see what we can get out of it.
Jimmy, you mentioned the lineouts, but then also it seemed that you guys came off second best in the aerial contests as well. And then when you guys did have the ball, it was given away.
Yeah, I think we weren't that bad in the aerial contesting today, especially Alfonso was good. Last week we were very, very poor in the aerial contesting. And then decision making. But yeah, we lost Clinton Swart, we sit with Nabaldwin, Vleers and Dandrich. And they need this game time, and yeah, maybe they can learn out of it. But you cannot give the ball away. The amount of turnovers when we get on the front foot, when we had the knock on, we got the scrum here, and then we pop the ball into someone's hand. So it's catch up the whole time, and it makes it difficult. It makes it difficult to get that team to get settled. But yeah, we know what we got, and next week is going to be more difficult going down to Boland. But obviously, spoke now in the change room, the players know what is wrong and what is right. And it's just the individual areas that I think it's the most important thing.
I suppose the good thing, though, is that tonight was a step forward, would you say, from last week?
Yeah, I won't say that because people will look at the score and you'll say you're going backwards. But obviously, we saw what we wanted to see out of it. Guys did well in the trainings. We gave them opportunities. Other guys were poor last week. So we got our squad, we got to play, and I see the other teams are also make some changes. But yeah, next week, this game is strange. You lose 2 in a row, and then you win 5 in a row, and then suddenly you're back. And this is how it works.
Coach, you mentioned Samuel, your vice captain, a key player in the team. So they were on the sidelines. What's his condition like? Is he okay?
Yeah, obviously. We didn't see the head contact. The mouth guard showed it, but he will be okay for next week. I don't think there's something in it. Yeah, I don't think so.
Coach, die een ding wat verkeerd geloop het wat julle wel kan regmaak is die dissipline. Daar was 'n paar goed wat gebeur het wat definitief mense kan verhoed op die veld.
Ja, verseker as jy gaan kyk na die laat tackle en die 2-3 geel kaarte, dit is as jy kyk na Delvin Bladson. Ag is maar moeilike goed, dis instink vir rugby spelers, maar jy kan nie, ek dink ons het 3 geel kaarte in die einde gekry. As ek reg is, jy kan nie en met die catch-up rugby maak dit moeilik. Jy weet dissipline is een van die belangrikste goed veral in deesdae se rugby. Maar ja, dis goed wat 'n ou kan regkry. Maar volgende keer bel ons die bal weer vir jou en dan is die ander ouens aan die ander kant. So, dis maar hoe hardloop. Ons ken maar die game, die bal is hier rond nie.
Coach, if any, what are maybe the positives that you saw this week that are different from
I think
home ground last
I
week?
think the scrums was much better. Even if we had 7 guys on the field, not 8, we scrummed them with 7 guys on the field. So obviously that is a positive. The moment we kept the ball putting up phases, I think that was something that worked well for us. But spreading the ball wide and then we made a knock-ons and then we got the turnovers, that's the negative stuff. But fix it, we got to fix it. This unfortunately the game's not getting easier. It's getting more difficult and the players know it. You know, if you look at their faces, their body language, it's you come here and you had a nice vibe and you had a nice week of training and then it turned out wrong for you. And it's yeah, the clever people say it's not how you fall, it's how you stand up, you know. But this is the game. You cannot sit back and blame other people. You just got to go back and fix it yourself. That's what it is.
Happy, Coach Jimmy, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Safe travels.